In this video, I want to explain the difference between vectors and scalars. A vector can describe a movement from one point to another. A vector is a quantity that has both magnitude or size and direction. A scalar quantity has magnitude only. Some examples of scalars and vectors are as follows. A distance of 26.219 miles. That's the distance covered in a marathon. Also a temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. That's the average body temperature. And a mass of 1 kilogram. That's a typical mass of a bag of sugar. Some examples of vectors are displacement, velocity and force. Displacement is gives the shortest distance between 2 points and also the direction of travel between those 2 points. Velocity is given by the speed measured in a given direction. And force is also a vector, as it's important to know the magnitude of the force and also the direction of its application, because both of these affect the resultant motion of an object when a force is applied to it. Okay, so I want to explain a bit more about the difference between distance and displacement. Imagine you're planning a trip on a motorway. You want to travel from your starting point, your home or your origin. You want to visit 3 sites, A, B and C, along the motorway. On the horizontal axis we've got the miles east. On the vertical axis we've got the miles north. Distance between the origin or start point and point A is distance dA. That's equivalent to travelling 2 miles east and 3 miles north. And distance between A and B is dB. That's equivalent to travelling 3 miles east and 1 mile north. And finally, travelling between B and C, that's a distance of dC. That's equivalent to travelling 3 miles south and 2 miles east. The total distance travelled is the sum of these, dA plus dB plus dC. Now, the shortest distance between your start point and the end point C is given by this distance. But the separation OC can be described by a displacement vector from O to C, and it would be written as 7 miles east and 1 mile north. As you can see here, it travels 7 miles east and 1 mile north. And from these numbers you can obtain the actual distance travelled between O and C, and also the direction with respect to the eastern direction. So in summary, scalars have magnitude only and vectors have magnitude and a direction associated with them. In the next video we'll be covering vector notation and terminology. Thanks for watching.